In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a location pin icon using Figma. This is an easy and quick process, so let's get started. First off, head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool, by opening your preferred web browser and typing in their URL. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the login button. Enter your credentials to access your Figma workspace. If you're new to Figma, you'll need to sign up for an account first, but for those already part of the Figma community, logging in is the way to go. Once you're in your Figma dashboard, you're ready to begin. Navigate straight to the home page within Figma. This is where all your projects and files are centrally managed. From here, locate and click on the Design tab. This will allow us to start creating our new icon from scratch or incorporate it into an existing design project. Now that you're in the design interface, we'll start crafting our location pin icon, beginning with a polygon shape. Look for the Shape tool in Figma's toolbar. It's versatile and will allow us to create the foundational geometry for our pin. Once you've selected the polygon tool, draw a triangle to form the pin's body. Triangles naturally taper to a point, giving us the basis for the lower part of the location icon. With the triangle in place, the next step is to rotate it. You want the pointed end directed downward, mimicking the traditional pin shape. To do this, use the rotate tool by selecting your triangle and adjusting it on its center axis so that the point is directed downwards. Now it's time to combine shapes and bring our design to life. Create a circle using the ellipse tool, positioning it just above and partially overlapping the triangle. This combination forms the bottom point and circle top, completing the iconic pin silhouette. Finally, it's time to add some details to your icon to make it pop. You might want to experiment with different stroke widths, colors, or even some shadow effects to give it a more three-dimensional look. To tweak these, use Figma's Properties panel, which provides various options for customizing the fill, stroke, and shadow to perfectly match the style you're aiming for. And there you have it. You've successfully created a location pin icon using Figma. This straightforward approach can be adjusted and fine-tuned according to your project's needs, and you can easily integrate it into your other designs, knowing the basics of shape manipulation in Figma. Feel free to explore more of Figma's rich set of tools and design capabilities to elevate your creations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy design tutorials.